Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today we got another AMAX for you. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's open the box and you already know which one it is. Let's take these out. And here we are. As you can see, these are the AMAX limeades or lemonade. Yes, these are the lemonade. These original released quite a few years ago, and Nike thought it would be a good idea when they were having some lemonade to release these again. So they have done the re-release, and it came in a pack of 3. So you had the strawberry aid, you had the limeade, and you had these, the lemonades. I only wanted to get these. I did not go for the other ones, so I've only got these ones in the pack. And to be honest, I think these are the nicest from the whole pack. As you can see, it comes with the black bottoms, you've got the white midsole, you've got the green air bubbles, you've got this nice little color, it's like almost a powdery yellow. Then you've got this nice fabric. My one's got some kind of dirty mark here, that is the original dirtiness. Then you've got the nice, and this air sign here panel is actually 3M, so it is nice and 3M-y. Then you've got the nice little green hit with the air sign, and the inside is the best bit. As you can see, it's the lemon. Then you have the green laces, you've got the lemon on the tongue. Yes, all in all, this is a very nice pair of shoes, as you can see. And then we'll have a look at the extra laces. So they give you lots of options. It comes with this almost peachy color one, you have the white one, then you have this nice green picnic color one. Yes, very nice pair of Air Maxes. I believe these are now sold out, but you can actually pick them up. The resale is not that much at all. You can actually pick them up for, I believe, close to retail, just maybe, you know, two pennies over, but they should be absolutely close to retail. All in all, these are actually a very nice pair of Air Max 1s. If you want them, then get them. These are OG pair of Air Max 1s, originally released in the first pack of the lemonade pack. So as always, guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe, follow me. I'm gonna try making some more trainer reviews because I like the trainer. They keep my feet alive. I will quickly show you on hand shot how they look like. This is how they would look on feet, on hand. I don't have the budget yet for on feet, so I'm going to show you the on hand. Yes, very nice pair of shoes. So always, guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe, follow me on all the good stuff, and then as always, Bali da.